All right, so I'm here filming some course content, well actually pretty much all of the in-person course content for Property Video 101, which is the new online course coming out soon that's going to be complete, that shows you how to do all the property videos. So starting with regular property videos like horizontal, filmed like this, where it's like highlights of the entire property. And then I just wrapped up doing the tutorial of how to do a vertical social media walkthrough video, vertical social media highlight video. And in this course specifically, I taught how to do, I started out with a very, very basic property video. So the movements that you need to do when you're brand new to real estate videography, the movements that you need to do like, I don't want to see any walking, like at all. The movements that you need to be doing, like just have your left foot in front, your right foot behind, hold the gimbal, and just lean all the way back, and then take like 3 or 4 seconds to lean all the way forward. You don't need to do anything other than that. And that's what I talk about in this course a lot. Pretty much the whole first couple of videos is doing a property video just filled with doing stuff like that. And that looks super basic, but the quality that you can get, I just wrapped up doing like a extroduction, outro, I guess that would be the right word for it, talking about how, you can do that for a lot longer than you expect. Like I specifically talked about how, new videographers, if you have like a 10-bit color depth camera, you might be tempted to shoot in a flat color profile and start color grading and all this and that. But the hard truth is that if you don't have the fundamentals down, like what your actual like final result of the video is going to be, like it's not smooth, it doesn't, you see you walking up and down. Yes, I know, hilarious, I'm making that movement. But you see like the up and down movement, the Z-axis of your camera movement, like, but then like it's like the color, like the white balance is a little off, and I just don't like that. Like I'd rather your clients will thank me. So if you're not great at video and you're thinking about starting all this, start with the complete basics, start with the complete fundamentals. Don't worry about shooting in a flat color profile. Just shoot in a standard, like baked in, like color profile off, or if you shoot in an iPhone, don't use the flat color profile and worry about color grading and all that stuff. Ooh, the sun's coming out. I can finally start doing the drone stuff. So after this video, I'm gonna go right back to filming for the course. Anyways, start with the fundamentals, like get really, really smooth, and you can do that over and over and over again, and that'll look so much better than, putting the cart before the horse and starting, doing white, like color grading and shooting in a flat color profile, shooting in log, and like before you've really prepared yourself to do these property videos. So that's what I'm talking about in the course, is you can start out doing these videos exceedingly simply, but they'll come out looking really, really professional, and then you can build on that as time progresses. And then I also shot like an advanced one where it's showing, using all kinds of different lenses and, doing reveal shots and doing different movements. And then we're gonna talk about how to edit all those. Actually, we're gonna do more than just talk about how to edit all those. We're actually gonna edit all of them together, and I'll give you part of getting the courses. So you're gonna get access to all of the raw footage, the raw unedited video footage that we're capturing here today, so you can edit it alongside me, so you can, get used to the editing before you film something yourself, because I know not everybody has access to these beautiful houses to shoot in, all that kind of stuff. So I wanted to make this quick video just kind of shouting out the Property Video 101 course. I'm going to be talking about it a lot on social media. I'm making a lot of videos about it on this channel to promote that course, because it's going to be really helpful if you're trying to do video. It's a really low budget course. It's going to be $349. Like that's honestly, like now that's like $300 less than I charge for actually doing a video. So I've been here 3 hours, filming this video, rather these courses. So I'm gonna wrap up a little bit. If you want, because the course isn't live yet, but it will be, you can get 50% off the course as a pre-order, but as soon as it's done, that 50% off is going away. So thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one, and I'm gonna do some drone video tutorial now to teach the Property Video 101 students how to get exceedingly smooth drone video. So I might need to go eat first, because I'm a little scatterbrained, because I've been, working for the last 3 hours. So if you want to learn how to do really, really good property videos, join the course. See you later.